boom bap. Kasi yun talaga yung mga first love na mga hip-hop na boom bap talaga, di ba? And then after that, tinry ko naman yung parang banda style na atake. Kunyari, drum, yung hindi na siya drum kits ng mga hip-hop na ano siya, parang snare talaga na drum, kick drum, tapos siyempre uso yung mga trap beats na ano. Tapos maganda rin kasi yung groove ng trap. Para sa akin, naalala ko kasi yung
pakis, kasi kanina ko pa nga hindi na matiis sa kutis mo na maputi, umiitim aking budhi. Para bang gusto kong magbunga ka ng binhi na mula sa aking lahat.
Ito po may effects na.
Pwede bang pakis, kasi kanina ko pa nga hindi na matiis sa kutis mo na maputi. Ang puti na diling langit ang magkasabay.
Hindi na siya. Hindi na, pag kinaibig na.
Kinakanta ba ito ng mga anak ko?
Hindi ko pinapakanta. Sabihin ni Marshall, sinasabi ko na pang daddy lang yung kanta.
Place them. So if you look at the grid, it says 1, 2, 3, 4. So I know the trap usually lands in 3. So then I just copy paste that on all the bars. So now you have the like the main sample is this from Naruto. And then like I layered that with another Naruto sample. And then obviously the drums and the bass and everything after.
Everything yun narinig ko.
Usually like when you like start off with a sound, kind of just builds up from there. So you get more ideas, start pumping like after a while.
Yung thrill ng hunt ng sample na hindi pa nagagamit, it's the same, you know, like, and then when you find it, you chop it up and make it sound different from the original. Some people sample 8 bars and it's the same. I'm okay with that. It's not me, and you know, iba-iba ang dami, you know, like, and when you create it and then you finally come up with something totally different from the original, that's when you, oh shit, astig to, you know.
Parehas na napapanggit natin sa malupit. Kanya-kanyang generasyon pinanghahawakan. Ngunit wag kalitaan